Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. Let's get started. Sometimes you'll notice that certain songs don't appear when you search for them in Instagram Music. Not every song is available, but in many cases the issue is caused by your account settings. If you're using a professional or business account, some songs may be restricted. To fix this, go to your profile, then tap the three lines in the top right, then scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. Next, tap Switch Account Type and choose Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your choice. Once you've switched back to the personal account, then go to Stories, then tap the music icon and search again. You should now see a wider selection of songs available. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.